Top 5 Best Digital Oscilloscope. Here is the item number 5. NER C1014D Digital Oscilloscope. Built-in DDS signal generator, support 12 kinds of function signal. Capture output signal function, which can store up to 1000 capture signals. Targeted high intelligent decoding algorithm, the encode width is infinite, and intelligent anti-burn function, 1x can withstand up to 400 volts withstand voltage. Here is the item number 4. Hantek So5102P Digital Oscilloscope. The Hantek So5102P is a new digital storage oscilloscope developed by Hantek. It has a large, 7.0-inch, color display, WVGA 800 by 480, 2 channels, 100 MHz bandwidth. It will be one of your best choices. USB host and device connectivity, standard. Multiple automatic measurements. 4 math functions, including FFT's standard. Here is the item number 3. Russian Warehouse YEAPOOK Digital Tablet Oscilloscope. Lyssage figures display function can be used to determine the amplitude, frequency, and phase contrast of 2 groups of signals. FFT analysis function can analyze the harmonic components of the signal. Built-in 6000 mAh high-quality lithium battery, which can last for 4 hours on a full charge. Here is the item number 2. DS213 Mini Digital Oscilloscope. Functionalities: store file as BMP, DAT, BUF, or CSV format. Synchronous mode, auto, normal, single, none, scan. Inbuilt 8 MB disk storage for waveform data and images. Rising falling edge trigger, positive negative pulse width trigger. Analog input impedance, 1 MHz. Max sample memory depth: 4K. Here is the item number 1. MDP XP Mini Laboratory Programmable. Modular design with MDP M01 display control module and MDP P905 digital power module through 2.4 GHz wireless connection and support up to 6 channels output. 1 more power supply mode connected to achieve multi-channel free combination at the power of 90 watts per channel. Support data record with max 7 megabits recording storage and hours recording time. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel.